Configuring accounts in WSFTP. This tutorial will show you how to configure WSFTP to connect to a server via FTP. Click the Connection Wizard button. Enter a site name. Entering a site name will help you differentiate your connections if you have more than one site. Click the Next button. Select the connection type. This option allows you to choose different configurations, such as encrypted connections using FTPS between the server and client. Not all FTP servers support FTPS. FTPS should also not be confused with SFTP, which is a means of encrypting FTP traffic by routing the connection over SSH. For this demonstration, let's choose FTP. Click the Next button. Enter the server address. Typically, this is. If your domain is still pointing to a different server or your DNS changes have not propagated yet, you can use the IP address of the server instead of a fully qualified domain name. Click the Next button. Enter the username. Enter the password. Click the Next button. Before we connect, let's take a look at some options that can be used to customize the interaction between WSFTP and the server. Click the Advanced button. Select Startup. From here, you can specify the start folders for both your local machine and your server upon connection. Enter the Remote Site folder. For primary domains on cPanel accounts, this should be. For subdomains and add-on domains, if when connecting with the cPanel user, this should be. For subdomains and add-on domains when connecting with a separate FTP user, this should be. For primary domains on Plesk accounts, this should be. For subdomains on Plesk accounts, depending on the configuration of the subdomain, this should be. If this field is left blank, the remote directory will default to the user's home directory. Enter the local folder. From here, you may also set your default transfer mode. For more information on their differences, please refer to the following tutorial, Transferring Files via WSFTP. Click the OK button. Click the Finish button to save your settings and connect to the server. Congratulations! You now know how to configure WSFTP to connect to a server via FTP.